Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can remove Gmail account very easily. I will show you two process for removing the Gmail account. So before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So first process is that click on setting and then you will see account and backup option. Click on account options and then you will see manage account options. Click on it and then you will see are your Gmail account. Then click on that account which you want to remove. So then click on remove account options. So when you will click on remove account, then your account will be removed. So I will show you second process. Second process is that go to your Gmail and then you will see three dots on top right. Click on it and then you will see setting options and then you will see all your Gmail account and then click on three dots on top right and you will see manage account options. Click on it and then click on that account which you want to remove. So I want to remove this account, so I will click on it and then you will see a remove account options. Click on it and then click on remove account. When you will click on remove account, your account will be removed. So guys, by following this process you can easily remove your Gmail account. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.